Hey guys, good morning. I have something here which was shipped, ordered Amazon.com, and they just shipped the item here. So I'm gonna spend some time to see what it is and open it and try to assemble. Uh, this is the box. This is the box right here. It looks like it's a bike, and it came in this big box. Came in this big box from looks like. This thing came from outside the United States, and the destination was Chesapeake, Virginia. So what I'm going to do is take it out of the box. I can see the manual instructions is right here, and that's the owner's. It's a cruise bike. And this is the bike right here. So what I'm going to do is look at the tools. This looks is where you sit, and these are the other items here, which I will open and find out. So So this is what I'm going to work on today and see what happens. So let me set up my equipment here, my camera stand. That way I don't have to be going around and focusing what I'm doing. Let me do that in a few minutes and then we can continue. So this, guys, this is the bike I'm going to be working on. I hope you can see it and you can hear me loud and clear. And we need cobalt tools. We need this wrench. We need the pliers. We need a screwdriver to start. We need these wrenches, and of course this, not forgetting the Allen keys. All right, and this one is used to inflate the tires. It's a pump, and give me that manual. And this is the manual instruction which came with it, and that part over there. This is the seat. It's the seat. I'm gonna open it. And what is this? Can you open this? What is this? This is like a basket. I don't know what. I don't know what you want to use it for. And this is the whole unit right here, which was in the box. The wheels, the rear, in the front. So what I will do, I'll use the scissors to cut it. Give me the scissors, guys, and cut it. Okay, good for me there, and cut this part. Cut this part, guys, and this is a bike for somebody's Christmas gift, the early Christmas gift. So I want to try to carry this one here too. Do you have the bigger scissors? Guys, can you get me the bigger scissors? Got this one here. Got this one here. So I take this this wheel, the front wheel off. Get this part off. This part off. I think this one is okay. Got this part. I used to ride a bike when I was in high school, so I pretty much know some of the basics, what you need. Uh, but I will follow the instructions since it's coming from another country. They might be having different instructions, but it's something I usually see. And we take this one out. How is it going, guys? Yeah. Okay. You excited? But it's winter outside. How you wanna be riding a bike? It's cold outside. Huh? You have a gym inside where you can ride it? Oh yeah? You excited about Christmas coming next 2 weeks? Are you guys decided what you wanna ask Santa? No? So this is the front handles. You can see. Okay. And so I wanna take out everything. Like this part. You can take this part off. Take this one off. And you can get this one out. Can I have the scissors, please? Thank you. You can hold for me here. That's okay. All right, guys. And I hope this one is gonna help people who have never assembled a bike to learn on how to do this. Well, you're gonna need insurance for the vehicle, but I haven't had any state in the United States here whereby you need insurance coverage for your bike. You do have insurance for motorbikes, but for the bikes, I don't think is required. I don't think it's required. So this is the seat right here. I think it looks like I've unboxed it. So it's gonna be here, and I wanna put something here. What you need? Go to my office and bring those two. Go to my office and bring those two dumbbells, so I can put it here. I think it can help to make it not fall. Step is to unbox these other parts. The seat. This is the seat right here. Looks beautiful. Okay, I want to use this one to make it not to fall like this. Yeah, I want to make it like that. Just to hold it. Use these dumbbells too. These dumbbells. Like this so that it cannot fall. Okay, guys. And next thing, this part here. This one goes here. I think it's gonna be like, it's gonna be like this. Okay, this one needs to come out. Uh, we need to take this one out. Hmm, turn it around. I have some engineers here who are, uh, yeah, like this. Yeah, this one needs to come out. We need to cut it or use something like a screwdriver to take this out. So I'm trying to cut this part here. Okay, get this part out, and once I figure that one out, should be able to. This is where somebody sits, and looks like we have to open here so that this one can go join this part, and that's why we need these screwdrivers. Okay, this one is gonna open here. So this one. All right, guys. Still continuing. I'm going to install the wheels. This is the front wheel, and what I'm doing is just training this part. So this one goes here, like that, and then after I've joined them like this, I'm gonna need to put tighten this part here. I think I'm missing one part here, so here, which we might need to find. This one needs to come off like this. I need a part. The part looks like this. If you can check inside there and see if you can find a part. We're just gonna go here. Check there and see. Where we have the screws. You okay, Sean? Okay, that's what we need up here. And then that thing can be. So let me find out and let you guys. You can turn it from here. Press it. No, press it there. Hey guys, so what I was saying is this part here, this one part right here. So I have to close this one right here. I close it like that. Okay, so no worries. Okay, I'm gonna need Can I get a wrench? Give me this wrench. It's okay. Give it to me. That one. Now, I use this. Use this wrench here. Okay. Looks good. Okay, but I need to make it secure. To make sure it does come off. So to be very secure. This one too has to be very secure. I think it's secure enough now. And oops. So the mud cuts. We go like this. What I need to do is open this. This goes right here. Open like this. Those who are joining me right now, this is Peter from Sun Insurance. I'm off today, helping to put together this bike. And let me know, do you think bikes need insurance? Do you think that the bikes need insurance? And I'm still on. I want this video to be rolling, so I'm gonna try to put the mud cut right now. And still continue watching, you guys. I know in Africa we use bikes a lot. We use bikes a lot in Africa. Okay. All right. So I'm trying to do the mud cuts here. That's what I'm working on, guys. so that I can make these things secure. How you guys doing? Okay?
Yes.
You're wondering, you can't wait when it's gonna be done?
Yeah.
So you guys can start riding?
Mm-hmm.
You wanna ride it outside or where? Basement?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe? I'll do my best. Okay. And then I need to join this part too. Okay, let's stop it so now. So what I was doing here, I was putting the secured in the mud card. It's secured, and I adjusted these parts so the front wheel is ready to go. So after this one, I'm gonna try to work on the pedals, install the pedals, and the seat itself. And after that, I'm gonna be able to put it straight and put the handles, which I have here. And from there, I will proceed. So I will show you the next segment when I get there. So guys, thank you so much for following. And this is the final product for the bike I was putting together. And it looks pretty good. And this is the product. Took me about an hour to put it together. And thanks guys for watching. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. That's it. Enjoy your Christmas and hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.